Bibi, kakain ka na, Bibi Kuya? Ha? Eat na? Eat. Hello to my 17 million viewers. Let's eat lunch. Haura, hello to you. Morina, basta na ulam. I brought from the market, from the Carinderia, guys. I brought from Carinderia. It's called Igado. Yeah, it's Igado. Igado. Yeah, Igado. And rice. Made from pork. Yeah, made from pork. And liver. And tomato. And, hindi pala na tomato. Carrots and potato. Marinated, yeah. Let's eat. Sarap na mga ulam, yeah. Igado. Binili ko sa Carinderia. I bought from Carinderia. So, syempre, hingi rin ako ng sabaw. Hi, Brownies. How nice to meet you again. Nice to meet you again. It's nice to meet you again, Brownies. Kang Creator. Thank you. Let's eat, guys. Hi, Uncle. Uncle. Hello to you. Hi, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Photos of the family are on the wall. That's appealing. Which are your grandson?
Mama, tumatama dito na lahat.
Huwag mo naman napaglaruan. Yeah, it's photos of me. Next time ay naku, kumain na nga tayo. Hello, Uncle. Hello, is Rosia. Hello to you. Good afternoon, Janel for ito. Ano yung baby? Ha? Ano? No. Sarap ng igado. Bito, hello Bito. Yeah, good lunch. Yeah. Sarap. Very,